Morning. Welcome back to my channel Algorithms. In this video we see soft computing unit 2 important MCQs for RGPB online exam 2020. So if you are not watch unit 1 MCQ, so please click on I button and watch unit 1 MCQ. Let's start unit 2 important MCQ question. So the first question is blank is a storehouse of associated pattern which are encoded in some form. So here available option is associative memory, communicative memory and neural networks, and last one is memory. So correct correct option is option number option number A, associative memory. So let's go for question number 2. So question number 2 is if the associated pattern pairs x and y so are different, and if the model recalls a y again and x or vice versa, then it is termed as. So available option is here. First option is auto associative memory and second option is hetero associative memory and third one is neuro associative memory and last one is none. So correct answer is option number B, hetero associative memory. Let's go for question number 3. So question number 3 is auto associative correlation memories are known as. So available option is here. First one is autocorrelators, B is heterocorrelators, and third one is neurocorrelators, and last one is none. So correct answer is option number 1, autocorrelated correlators. So let's go for question number 4. So question number 4 is blank recalls an output given an integer in one feed forward pass. So given option is first one is static network and second one is dynamic network and third one is recurrent networks and last one is none. So current answer is option number A, static networks. Let's go for question number 5. BAM stands for. So BAM stands for bidirectional associative memory. So right answer is bidirectional associative memory, option number 1. Let's go for question number 6. So blanks associates pattern in bipolar form that are real coded. So available option is here simplified bidirectional associative memory, and B is bipolar form, and C is bidirectional form, and D is null. So correct answer is option number A. Option number A is simplified bidirectional associative memory. This is the correct answer. So question number 7. Question number 7 is blank uses bipolar coding. So available option is here. First one is fabric defect identification, and second one is recognition of characters, and third one is design of general bearing, and fourth one is classification of soil. So right answer is option number B, recognition of characters. This is the correct answer. So let's go for question number 8. So question number 8 is self-organization network, also known as. So available option is back propagation network, second one is training free counter propagation network, and third one is propagation network, and last one is none. So correct answer is option number B, training free counter propagation network. So this is the correct answer of question number 8. Let's go for question number 9. Casco proposed an energy function for the two states. So here available four option. So correct answer is option number B, E function A and B equal to minus A M B. So this is the correct answer for question number 9. Let's go for question number 10. So question number 10 is BAM was introduced by. So available option is first one is Cruise, second one is Stubbred, and third one is Costco, and last one is Rosenwald bet. So correct answer is option number C. Option number C is Costco. So this is the correct answer of question number 10. So let's go for question number 11. The algorithm which computes operator M is known as. So available option is memory algorithm, second one is recording algorithm, and third one is transfer algorithm, and last one is none. So correct answer is option number B, recording algorithm. This is the correct answer of this question. Let's go for question number 12. So question number 12 is real coding is used by. So available option is here: recognition of character, fabric defect identification, optimization, and last one is classification of solve. So the correct answer is option number B, fabric defect identification. This is the correct answer of question number 12. Let's go for question number 13. ART stand for. So available option is adaptive resonance theory, and second one is adaptive resonance theory, and third one is adapt resonance theory, and fourth one is adaptive retail theory. So correct answer is option number A, adaptive resonance theory. This is the correct answer of question number 13. Let's go question number 14. So question number 14 is a program blank is written in Fortran for cluster information. So available option is backend, second one is backend, and third one is vector, and last one is quantization. So important, this is an important question. So the correct answer is 14 question is option number A, backend. This is the correct answer of question number 14. Let's go question number 15. So question number 15 is blank networks were developed by Carpenter and Grossberg. So given option is ART, B is ARP, and C is ARC, and last one is ARD. So correct answer is question number 15 is A, ART. ART is a correct. ART is a correct. ART is the correct answer of question number 15. Let's go question number 16. So question number 16 is the blank of the network means that a pattern should not oscillate among different cluster units at different stage of training. So available option is stability, mobility, and third one is versatility, and last one is plasticity. So correct answer is option number A, stability. So this is the correct answer of question number 16. This is the correct answer of question number 16. So this is the correct answer of question number 16. Let's go for question number 70. So question number 70 is blank is the analogous version of ART. So given option is ART2, ART1, ART2A, and last one is ART map. So correct answer is option number A, ART2. This is the correct answer of question number 17. Let's go for question number 18. So question number 18 is blank test is incorporated into the adaptive backward network. So given option is vigilance, and B is indulgence, and third one is relevance, and fourth one is none. So correct answer is question number 18 is option number A, vigilance. This is the correct answer of question number 18. Let's go for question number 19. So question number 19 is in blank, learning in the weight are adjusted only when the external input matches one of the stored prototypes. So available option is supervised, unsupervised, match based, and last one is none. So correct answer is option number C, match based. This is the correct answer of question number 19. Let's go for question number 20. So question number 20 is Kim et al. Proposed an blank method using ART2 architecture. So given option is first one is pattern recognition, and second one is Chinese recognition method, and third one is character recognition, and last one is none. So correct answer is option number B, Chinese recognition method. This is the correct answer of question number. This is the correct answer of question number. This is the correct answer of question number 20. So let's go for question number 21. So question number 21 is blank learning weight update during resonance occurs rapidly. So available option is here. First one is error based, and second one is fast, and third one is slow, and fourth one is match based. So correct answer is question number 21 is B. Fast is the correct answer of question number B. Let's go for question number 22. So question number 22 is comparison layer and recognition layer constitute. So available option is here attenuation, and second one is attenuated system, and third one is synaptic system, and last one is none. So correct answer is option number B, attenuated system. This is the correct answer of question number 22. So let's go for question number 23. So question number 23 is ART1 is an elegant theory that address. So available option is stability, plasticity, and dilemma, and second one is stability dilemma, and third one is plasticity dilemma, and last one is none. So correct answer is option number A, stability, plasticity, and dilemma. Let's go for question number 14. So question number 14 is supervised version of ART. Available option is ART map, fuzzy ART, and third one is fuzzy ART map, and last one is ART1. So correct answer is option number A, ART map. This is the correct answer of this question. And last question is slow learning is used as. So given option is ART1, ART2, and last one third one is ART map, and last one is fuzzy ART. So the correct answer is ART2. So correct answer of ART2. If you are interested in my video and content is helpful for you, so please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.